Good morning, world. I woke up like this. No, I didn't. Today we're gonna go for a fish down at Buxton. The weather isn't looking too good. There's some angry clouds around, but haven't been for a Buxton fish in a while. Gonna give it a fly fish and then go to Powelltown and give it a rip on the motorbikes. So filming a day of adventure and yeah, just gonna film it and have fun. More power, more passion. So the rod setup we've got a 5 to 6 behemoth fly reel paired up with a primal relay 5-weight 9-foot fly rod, 5-weight line, and to be honest I don't even know what dry fly that is, but it's little, it looks natural. We're gonna give it a shot. I like to fish top water first, one because it's the best and the most fun, just to see if they're on the top water as well. If they're not, we'll put a streamer on, so a streamer gets down lower into the deeper pools. Sometimes they sit lower, and you've got to get that fly right in front of their face. So yeah, we'll give it a shot. It's all trial and error. Just change around your flies until you get a fish or you don't. Either way, it's pretty fun being out here. Pretty nice. We've got good skies. This is actually someone's property. I like to fish here. I've met the owner a couple of times. He's happy if I come down here. It's just better than going down to your bridges and popular spots because there's less foot traffic here, less people have come through the spot, and more chance of catching a fish. So yeah, see how we go, eh? So we're actually down at Stevenson's in Buxton. This place gets flogged, but hopefully cutting through this property gives us a bit of advantage. It's 8 o'clock, didn't quite get here at the crack of dawn. Sun's coming out, which means the bugs are out. Yeah, keen. So we've approached the river. It's actually looking pretty clean, which is pretty good. So gives us a bit of advantage. I like to, the river's flowing that way. I like to come down the tail end of the river. The trout will be facing upstream. So if you approach the stream from upstream, they'll see you. They're pretty spooky fish, so you got to be pretty stealth, quiet. I also like to just sit right behind the river. Just sit here for a couple of minutes and see if there's any fish, see if there's any action, top water. Yeah, because generally if you see a riser, you throw a fly on it, they'll generally take it most of the time, but they also may not, so depends how they're feeling. We'll take our first couple casts down at the bottom of this pool. Sometimes I like to hang out at the bottom of a pool because that's where all the water gets turbulent, stirs up all the food. Good to try and keep somewhat of a tight line as you make the drift. Alright, so just had a trout come up here and almost take the fly. Whew, that was good. He was like not a bad size as well, so keep gently chucking this fly on top of his head. That was cool. He wanted it, but then he pussied out. So as I said before, we change up our flies. As we just seen, that trout came up to have the dry fly, didn't want it, and I cast it another 5 times, still didn't want it. So just going to put on a nymph, which is going to sink. It's a streamer, but that'll sink and hopefully get in front of its face, and hopefully he wants it. So let's go. Got him. No shit. That was sick. That right there is exactly why we changed it up. That was first cast on the streamer. Seems alright as well. No way. No freaking way. How good is that? I don't want to put too much stress on the line because you got, I guess when you fly fishing you've only got, oh, I foul hooked him. Oh, he's tangled. You've only got like 4-pound line or so. Oh, That is a good catch. I think I cooked that filming, but you get the picture anyway. Not a bad start to the day at all. It's a nice 30 centimetre, 35 maybe. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Look at that. Ew. Nice. How's that? He's just here. Another little trout, just tried to go the bugger twice actually and missed it on film. Nice. So just chucked that one way out into the deep, drifted it, didn't touch it. Then we've got onto a little rainbow. So good. Whoop, whoop. And he almost got off. Sick one. Today's looking good. Come on, mate. That's another trout. Sweet little rainbow. Better shaka. Drop it right in front of his face. Oh no, I've caught a bush. Oh shit. Oh no, back on. All right. There's a trout right there. He might take this. If he doesn't take it, I'm definitely going to go dry fly. He is cruising this trout. All right, I've got me dry fly on. Here comes a trout. Here comes a trout. Got him. Oh, dropped it. You bastard. All right. So I've just got this little slow pocket here. Should be enough time to let this streamer sink and hopefully hook up. There you go. So cast it at the end there, let it sink, and we on, baby. Doesn't seem massive. It's definitely fluffing around a bit. Almost don't even need the net. Just a little boy, little rainbow. So pretty sick. Just looking for these key spots. Definitely helps you a lot. So I've just found this spot. It's a nice turbulent pocket with sort of water flow on each side. In the middle should be deep, and we'll go at the top, give it enough time to sink. Fire an arrow cast. Give it a little twitch. There we go, on. Oh, that's a nice size. That is a good size. Might be the current pulling it, but dang. Am I filming? Yeah, I am. That's sick. Ah, another rainbow. Yeah, baby. I love it. Bad. Sweet little trout. So sick, man. So sick being here, just walking through the bloody river. Even if you're not catching, if you're catching, it's even better. Clean, I reckon all this rain flushed it out. That's why it's so clear. I've only travelled like 200 metres up the river, just potted around, meandering around the river, catching the odd trout. Definitely seen more trout than I've caught, but yeah, they're firing up. Like I was here 4 weeks ago and caught I think 1 or 2 in like 6 hours of fishing. So yeah, I guess that's fishing for you. You just got to get here on the right day and give it a shot. Found out that there's tiny trout in here. Oh mate, this hook is way too big for you. See you, mate. Phew. I just seen a trout feed right in front of me. See if we can pick him up. Looks like a good size. There he is. He's right there. Just gently place that down. Absolute shocking cast. And he's going to come up and eat it. Got him. Oh, that's bullshit. Ah, you don't get many chances like that. Well, we missed that one, but we've got another victim. That was just upstream from him. On the top water as well, so they might be starting to feed up high. This way. Up, 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 up. Hey, that's a cool trout. Whoa. Seen a riser over here. We're going to try and drop this on his head a bit upstream if anything. That will do. Hopefully. Yep, yep, yep. Just skidded him across the freaking top of the water. And the little boy. Not bad on the dry fly. That's a trout. Another little one, mate. Just gonna yoink this one in. What's going on? Where are the big dogs, mate? Look at him. So small. Little brown. Yoink. Missed that one, but we got him. Not yet. Nah, we got him. Nice brown. Heaps of small ones today. I think the first fish was the biggest one. Oh, and he's just come off. How's that? Yeah, doggy. Yo! It's been a pretty sick day so far. I think that's trout number 10 on 4%. I've got 3 trout on like 10%, but pretty sick. Oh, another good as release video. No, he's gone. Anyway, another small one. Shit. Quantity, not quality. Another small trout. What's going on? Tell your friends, mate. Another small one. What is going on? Just gonna lift this one up into the net. Woo! Far out. This one's a bit bigger, but not by much. Sick. Anyway, see you, mate. It's snowing. Snowing fluff. But that's probably it for the fishing. Battery's about to go flat, so we'll wrap it up there. Head back to the car, drive home from Buxton to Yale Junction, and then yeah, probably charge the GoPro again and go out for a cheeky ride. Ready to rumble. Single down there. What is this? This is so cool, man. This is actually like a fucking dream, cunt. Wide and open. And it goes to ages. I don't think I've started again. Uh-oh. She's a bit slippy on some corners, like unexpectedly. Having a break. Where on earth am I? Fuck! Take two. Slide a fly. Oh yeah, fucking view. I fucking love it. Oh. Whoa! I'm new exhaust. That was almost a fucking cinch. Damn, bamboozled. That was alright, under the other line. It's in there, oh shit. Silly. This one, fuck it! Oh! Yeah. Oh, I'm getting tired! What? How do I get above that? Tired as. Right, well, there is a stupid stick up there, and I'm going to try and stupidly jump it. Oh yeah! Oh shit! That is sick too. tire. I'm pretty done. Oh, I'm done. By myself, fuck it. Oh, I keep filming at the wrong time. Wasn't even filming it. I think about 6 goes at this hill. It's kicking my ass. I'm gonna take a piss, got one more shot, I'm done. Ah, nah, fucking fuck. Ah! Accepted defeat. You got me. Fuck you. Ah, man. Neutral. That's the end of me. Well, that's probably it. That's probably the end of my Saturday's adventures. I'm gassed, I'm tired, the GoPro's on 5%. I tried that hill 6 times and actually couldn't get it. I was getting frustrated and burning out and I'm by myself, so got to ride safe. Jolly's home in half an hour, so better get going as well. Fucking, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Harley out.